In this video, I'll show you how to rename a notebook in Microsoft OneNote. If you've looked for a rename option inside OneNote and couldn't find it, that's normal. Notebooks are stored in the cloud, so the most reliable way to rename them is through OneDrive. Start by opening your web browser and going to OneDrive.com. Sign in using the same Microsoft account you use in OneNote. Once you are in OneDrive, navigate to where your notebooks are stored. For most users, this is inside the Documents folder or a folder called OneNote Notebooks. If you're not sure, use the search bar and type the current notebook name. When you find the notebook, right-click on it and select Rename, or use the Rename option from the top menu. Enter the new name you want and press Enter. This changes only the notebook's name, not the content inside it. All your sections and pages stay exactly the same. Now, switch back to OneNote. If the name doesn't update immediately, close the notebook and reopen it. This forces OneNote to sync with OneDrive and pull in the new name. In most cases, the update appears within a few seconds. Keep in mind, renaming pages and sections works directly inside OneNote, but renaming the entire notebook usually does not. That's why OneDrive is the recommended method. This also applies to cloud-stored notebooks. If a notebook exists only on your local computer, this method will not apply. That's it. Rename the notebook in OneDrive, refresh OneNote, and your new name will sync across all devices.